Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a portfolio on Weebly. This is very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here, weebly.com. If you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can get started. In the upper right corner, you're registering for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as overview, website, items, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started making a portfolio on our website. We are going to be using all the options right here. They're going to enable us to edit our website. As you can see, we'll have the design option and so on. Basically, here is the online portfolio option for Weebly. That's going to make us stand out with our own portfolio website. So basically, we can go and follow the steps right here and use the powerful tools that Weebly offers us to make our portfolio. So you can bring your portfolio to life with a professional website that's going to enable you and build with beautiful portfolio teams as well. So all of your work is going to be in one place, and you can get started guys with your plan right here. As you can see, career builder says 80% of the people research others online before meeting them for the first time. This is why you want to use a portfolio, and this is going to enable us to use the starter pack, pro pack, or a business pack. That's going to enable us to go ahead and get started with our portfolio where we can showcase everything we have. So you want to go to this URL right here and check it out for yourself to take a look at how to get started with it today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.